Alright guys, Donald B here. We're going to talk about Canva and how to add watermarks to your Canva design. A lot of people always ask the question, how do you do this? Well, it's real simple. I'm going to show you real quick. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to grab my logo. So this is my logo here for my business. And what I'm going to do here is I can either make it this size, or what a lot of people do is just make it smaller and make multiples of them. So I'm going to do this. I feel like this is good. Put it right here in the corner. Then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change it. Change the transparency as light as possible. So that way you can actually see the actual design, but at the same time, your design is still in the background. So that way, they can't do anything or duplicate it. Now what you can do is to make these more, is just boom, just like that. Just hit duplicate if you want to do all along the actual entire photo. And Canva's automatically doing the next set for me, but it's not going to do the bottom row, so I got to move it down. But that's all you got to do. It's just that simple. Not that hard at all. Not hard at all. Just keep duplicating it. Let's do another one down here. And look at that. You got a watermark. Simple, right? It's not hard. It's not hard at all. And just like that, you're set. Boom. Now, you can do words too. Let's back up real fast. Take this image out. Or one thing, like I said, you could have done this too. You could just make it as big as possible. Just stretch it out. Just annoy the person. And I'll probably move it to the back. Let's see what if I move it to the back. So move back. Behind everything. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to change the transparency. And just like that. As dark as you want to make it, you want to make it light, you want to do like this, you want to do like anything you want to do. Sorry about that noise, my computer does that, but you can do that if you want to. But let's try it with words. What did I just delete? Just like that. Bam, okay. So let's see if you can do text. So let's do watermark tutorial. I'm not the fastest typer, so ignore that. Now let's just change the color. Let's just make it brown. Nope. Oops. Let's try it again. Boop. Boop. Now let's change it. Brown, I guess. No, let's do brighter color. Red. Sure, let's do that. If you want to do words, you can do the same thing. Transparency, just like that. Watermarks. See? Like that. And just do it throughout. Duplicate it. Just keep doing the same thing over and over and over. Over and over. Duplicate it. And you are set, my friends. That's how you do a watermark. That's how you add a watermark to your design. Please, I'm going to continue doing more tutorials. If there's anything you want to see, please definitely want to like, share, and actually comment down below on all the videos that I post on here. But I will continue to do this for you all, so that way you know how to actually do these things in Canva. Sometimes the most basic things just need to be shown, and a lot of people don't know how to do it. So I'm here for all that, and I am going to help you. Alright, as always, it's not deuces, is doses.